This 2022 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 314 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Highland Ridge is 36 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a titanium interior, sleeps 4, LP detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, skylight, TV antenna, self-contained, water heater, oven, smoke detector, external shower, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 314 RLS is 10,937 pounds. This 2022 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 314 RLS. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.